Hey guys, Kai here from Tic-Tac-Toe and welcome back to the channel. Today is all about the Samsung Tab S8 Ultra. We heard a lot about this, and will this be the ultimate laptop replacement? Let's find out. Now this is a standout tablet mostly because of its size. I've used mostly 7 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches, and this, ladies and gentlemen, is a 14.6 inch tablet. Wait, what? Yep, I'm not kidding. For a screen size this big, it does fall into the laptop category. So the real question, do you see this device as being a laptop or a tablet? Well, the great thing is you can use both for laptop and tablet. Yep. As a laptop, it's really a laptop replacement, but with a caveat. For all tasks that do not require any advanced video editing or photo editing, the S8 Ultra, it does deliver. So if you're working on mostly word processing, web-based platforms like your Shopify, like your Wix, WordPress, running Facebook ads, email marketing, word processing and such, all those can be done here. And hot damn, you can even open up multiple windows, not just open them up, but you can resize the windows. Yep, love it. And we are looking at you, iPad Pro. So yes, I have been using this tablet for 2 weeks, editing my website mostly. Oh yes, I do have a website now. Check it out by clicking on the link in the description box below. More on the details on my website, everything about it in future videos. Yep, stay tuned. The most awesome thing about the S8 Plus Ultra, sorry, I tend to forget the name because it's just way too long, is that if you were to connect the separate keyboard, you can run DeX within the tablet. And to the uninitiated, Samsung DeX is a desktop operating system that you can run within a Samsung flagship phone or Samsung flagship tablet. In the past, you do need to connect either the flagship tablet or the flagship phone to either a monitor via HDMI or wirelessly to trigger Samsung DeX. But this time round, you can trigger Samsung DeX by just hooking the tablet to the separate keyboard. What? Oh. That is next level Samsung. Well done. So when DeX is running, oh man, it feels like you are running on a proper operating system on a tablet. So when I edited my website, I was pretty much using WordPress the entire time, and it worked so well. I loaded WordPress on the Microsoft Edge browser, my preferred choice for browser these days, and I was able to complete several web pages within the week.
Running Microsoft Teams on the Samsung tablet S8 Plus is great too. Not only is the camera positioned very, very perfectly at the center, it has, in my opinion, it has one of the best front-facing camera in any tablet. I mean, take a look at this. This is really, really good quality. I mean, it makes me look good.
This is the best front-facing camera quality I've seen on a tablet. Scratch that. This is the best one that I've seen on a tablet and a laptop. Fight me on that. Audio is great, the speakers are nicely tuned too. I feel that with the inbuilt speakers, you do not need a separate Bluetooth speaker to amplify the audio. 7-Eleven, and you just tap on your phone and to pay for the stuff that you bought. That means your phone has NFC. Now, if you're still not sure whether your phone has NFC, well, why don't you do it? But then again, if you are someone who deals with a lot of heavy-duty photo editing or video editing, this might not be for you. So, until a good video editing mobile app like LumaFusion or a good photo editing mobile app such as Photoshop comes to Android, video editors or photo editors should stay clear of the S8 Plus Ultra. Yeah, this tablet, although the specs are really good, the software is lacking. Software that does good advanced video editing, advanced photo editing is just not there yet. As a tablet, now this is where it gets a little interesting. As I've mentioned just now, my experience with tablets have not gone using a tablet size which goes beyond 11 inches, the iPad Pro being the largest one. So when I first started using the S8 Plus Ultra as a handheld device, I feel that this isn't ideal for one of my hands to be holding on a device and the other hand to be pressing and swiping on the screen to operate the tablet. It's just way too big, and I have big sets of hands. So it feels much better to be laid on a surface, a desk, a tabletop. So if you are already the type of users who does not hold their tablets with both of their hands, but rather placing it on a desk, then yeah, you'll be right at home. But for someone like me who loves to use their tablets on the bed, especially for media consumption, I do not enjoy using a 14.6 inches screen handheld. The iPad mini remains the perfect handheld tablet for me. The price for this tablet is also on the higher side, costing $2,188, but it does come with 5G mobile connectivity. The keyboard is sold separately, but just for this month, if you were to purchase the Samsung S8 Plus Ultra, yes, I got the name right finally, you get the keyboard as a free gift. And you'll be saving like $500, and that's sweet. On the whole, I really like using this tablet. Samsung might have given the world the first device, the first tablet to replace an actual laptop. All the hype that Apple gave a few years back about the iPad Pro being a computer replacement, I still think there's a lot to be desired. And if you were to compare head-to-head the Samsung S8 Plus Ultra to the iPad Pro 12-inch, I really think there isn't any contest there. The S8 Plus Ultra is a clear winner. At least that's what I thought. Alright guys, that's it for the Samsung S8 Plus Ultra tablet review. If you do enjoy this video, do hit the like button. And if you want to see more of me rambling about tech stuff, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I post new videos. And I think that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.